Hey everyone, welcome to Programming in Python. Today we will be learning about comments in Python. So let's jump straight into it. Comments is a way to describe your code. It will help in recalling the purpose of your line of that line of code which you have used in your program. It's a good habit to use comments. By using comments, your code readability eventually increases and it's a way of documenting your code. We use hashtag in Python to write comments. It will not run when you execute your program and it's for programmers for debugging and finding out errors in their work or in their program. So let's practically implement comments in Python language. So for that we will be using idle, open it and create a new file and just write print hello world. You have to save this file. So let's write comments and run this file hello world. And now let's just put a hashtag here and save it and rerun this. So now it will not print anything. So that's how you write comments in Python. Let's try another example. Well, this will give us an error because of is another single code which we have used. So for if we run this, it will give us a syntax error. So to resolve this, just replace single quote with a double quote and save this and rerun it. Great. So now what if we have to write a whole block of comments or whole block of line and make that into a comment. So for that you have to use three single quotes and in that you will write everything which you have to write. Just learn how to write comments in Python. We can use single and double quotes when printing anything. So that's how you write single comments and multi-line comments. If we run this program, it will only show us our print statement and not comments. So that's how you write comments in Python.